Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by AJ, and today's video is going to be a review slash tutorial slash a little bit of everything on this product right here. So if you would like to see this review, make sure you keep on watching, and if you have not already done so, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so you can be updated whenever I upload a new video. The instructions say to mix equal parts with raw apple cider vinegar and or water, and then you're supposed to use a non-metal bowl and utensil. So I'm going to be using this and a plastic spoon because that's what I have currently at the moment. The apple cider vinegar that I'm using is this. There we go. So this is called, this is the Bragg Organic Raw Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar. And this is supposed to be like a really good apple cider vinegar. It has like a lot of nutrients and minerals and all that extra stuff. I'm in the process of putting the apple cider vinegar in, and listen to it. It like started fizzing up, and I thought that was really cool. So as you can see, my skin, it's, you know, it's not horrible, but my skin does have a lot of active acne, and you know, hyperpigmentation is still there. That's like my #1 problem. Now I am applying the clay mask, and when I tell y'all that apple cider vinegar smell is strong, after about 10 minutes, this mask dries and it gets very tight, and you'll see like in the clip my skin looked really tight, like it was pulling, which it was, and my skin started pulsating, which was it was a very weird feeling, but it didn't burn or anything like that. There is already a difference in my skin on day 2. I don't know if you guys saw it, but it looked really smooth, and the pimples were noticeably smaller, and my skin was super duper soft. But I did the same process throughout this whole thing, so I'm not going to explain that all over again. You can see in this clip that my face gets really red with this mask, which is normal, but I just thought it was funny how I could literally see a difference between my forehead and my hairline. And for day 3, my skin throughout the day, it felt really oily, and I don't know if it was anything other than the mask, but I figured it might have been the mask because it is drying my face out, that my skin, it feels like it has to produce more oil than normal. But my skin did feel very oily, but it was kind of a glow to it as well. For these next few clips, you'll notice that they're very low quality, and that's because I went out of town and didn't feel like bringing my camera and all that equipment, so I just used my phone with the flash on, and I just wanted to show you guys that I still did the mask for the 7 days. On day 5, my face was really glowing and it was really smooth. I know you probably can't tell because of the quality, but my hyperpigmentation was really faded. I mean, to me, that's what it looked like. On day 6, my acne was starting to come back, and I think it was from having my hair in my face and because I got my eyebrows done. But nevertheless, my skin was still glowing, and I could still tell that my skin was smoother. And now we have day 7. I think my skin looks very different, but you guys let me know what you think in the comment section below. And that's really all I have for you guys today. So if you like this video, make sure you thumb it up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it down below. And if you have not already done so, make sure you subscribe to my channel.